Hi, Assalamualaikum to all of you parents. I'm Hidayah from Genius Young Minds, where we help your child score in math within a very short period of time. Alright, today I have posted this question earlier on. So I hope that you have actually tried this question, either yourself or you get your child to do this question. And then right now, why not? Let's check through your answers, check against mine whether your child get it correct, whether their steps is correct, and whether you've understood the concept behind this question. Okay? Alright, so for those of you who are online with me at the moment, why not like, love, share this video so that other parents can also benefit from this video as well. Okay? Alright, so let's begin this question. Whenever you have a question, you want to solve the question, remember to read the question once through to do step number 1, to identify the main keywords. Alright? So, in a carnival, 2/3 of the number of children is equal to 1/5 the number of adults. If there are 189 more adults than children, how many people are there at the carnival together? This question is very simple, very straightforward. If you know the concept, straight away you can solve this just like that. Okay, good for the P3, P4, P5, even P6 students. Okay, so if you are a P6, P5, P6 student and you do not know how to solve this question within 5 minutes within 5 minutes time, then you have to know what concept this is. Okay, all right. So this question is very, very simple. The main keywords we need to identify in the questions are number 1, equal to. Okay, my students and those parents who attended my program before, they know whenever I say or I underline the word equal to, they know what concept this is straight away. Right? Straight away you can know this concept already because of the keyword equal to. Alright? And then there are 189 more adults than children. How many people are there at the carnival altogether? These are the main keywords. Alright, so students, those who are online, parents who are online, equal to there's one keyword equal to. It means that this is actually the equal concept, right? Very simple. Equal concept. So equal concept means, right, because of the word equal to, this is the equal concept, and it means that the part will be equal. Then you might be figuring out what part, which part, okay, what or where can I get the part from? Let's refer to 1 out of 5 here and the 2/3, the fractions. Look at the fractions given in the question. Okay, so if I say 2/3 and 1/5, the parts, it's always the numerator. This is my part and this is my total. This is my part and this is my total. Okay, then you might be asking, why is that so? If I want to draw a model out of, for example, this one, 1/5, okay? I will draw the model out of 5. The total parts I'm going to cut out is 5, right? This is my total. Okay? So, the part I'm referring to usually, for example, I want to give away one part, I want to take out one part, so that is one part of it. One part of it. The left over here is also the parts, but I only want 1 out of the 5 that is total. One part out of the 5. Understand? And those of you who have actually watched my previous videos, you know that fractions in its simplest form is already in its units form. Units form. Okay, which means this is 1 unit, this is 5 units, 2 units, and 3 units respectively. We can apply this understanding into the question. Let's go back to the question. 2/3 of the number of children is equal to 1/5 the number of adults. So this one is talking about children. Alright? So 2 units and 3 units. 2 unit is my part. 3 unit is my total. Okay? Alright, let's go back to that. It's equal to 1/5 the number of adults. So this one is my adults. So 1 unit and 5 unit. 1 unit is my part. 5 unit is my total. Okay? Clear so far? Alright? Then we know that there are 189 more adults than children. How many people are there in the carnival altogether? Very easy. So if you want to do the equal concept, let's draw out the equal concept box. Okay? I'm going to erase this part. You're clear about this part, alright? So we're going to draw out the box. Very, very easy. Equal concept box. Divide it into two columns. So we have part and total. Then we have children and adults. Okay, the children and adults. Then we cut them out like that. Okay. Alright, so we have children part. Children part is 2 units. Children total is 3 units. Adults part is 1 unit. Adult total is 5 units. Alright, you can see that it's very easy because what I have to do is just take the units from the question, which I already identified, into the box. Okay? The next step, so we've done this, we've done this, we've done this. Okay? Now we have to ensure that for equal concept, the part is equal. Let's look at the part. Look at the part here. Are they equal? They have to be equal. So which means this and this have to be equal. Are they equal in the moment? They are not equal. We have to make them equal. How to do so? This one times 2. 2 units. I'm making 1 unit here to become 2 units as well. To become 2 units. Whatever I do to the box in the row, the next box in the row must do the same. Here also 10 units. Okay. Now they say that if there are 189 more adults than children, right? So now I'm talking about the total number of adults and the total number of children. If I were to draw out my model, okay, I have my adults and my children, right? There are 189 more adults than children. It will be like that, right? The extra part here is 189. It's like this. So you can see that the total number of adults and the total number of children, if I compare, the adults have 189 more. So I'm talking about the total. I'm referring to the total. Look at the total for adults and children. Who have more? This is my children. This is my adult. Who have more? We can see straight away that the adults are more. How many units more? I minus. Okay. So I take 10 units minus 3 units. This will give me 7 units. Alright. And I know these 7 units is actually 189. Okay. The question already given me here. So I know that 7 unit is 189. Okay. 1 unit is 189 over 7 equals to, okay, 1 divided by 27. Okay, now the issue here is I want to know how many people are there at the carnival all together. So when I say all together, I want to find the total of the children and the adults. So the total will be 3 units and 10 units. Okay, you add these two up. So that will give me 3 unit plus 10 unit equals to 13 unit. I want to find 13 unit. My 1 unit is 27. 13 units is 27 times 13. That will give me 351. Easy. You don't have to draw the model. You don't have to figure out which one to make it from the model, which one to transfer here to make it equal to cut, and so on and so on. You don't have to do that. Whenever you see a question that have equal to, you have one fraction comparing to another fraction, and they say that this fraction is equal to that fraction. It's equal concept. When it's equal concept, ensure that the part is equal. Once the part is equal, you make sure they are equal. Then you solve the sum based on whatever value they given you. In this case, they gave us 189 more adults. So it's a comparison between the adults and the children. I find the units representing 189. Then I want to find the total number of people all together. I get the children and the adults add together. So I find 13 units. And that is my answer. Alright, very, very clear. Very, very easy. Okay, so this is a very straightforward question, but it will come out for exam, and this is one of the must-know PSLE Math exam concept. Okay, so you have to know, and this concept of this kind of question will start as early as the P3 level. So P3, good to know this already, parents. Get your child started. P4, this question, maybe they will change or tweak a bit more, maybe involving a decimal, right? P5, P6, this question will be in your paper 1 or maybe paper 2, the first 5 questions, alright? Okay, so it's a must to know this concept, the equal concept, one of the PSLE must know concept. If you want to know all the PSLE must know concept, why not come on board for a free trial lesson, right? bit.ly/gym trial. It's absolutely free. Right, click on the link, and the days are all there. Click on it. Select the days you want to meet me. All right, bring your child, your past exam papers, and yourself. Meet me, and we'll sit down and find out where your strengths are, where the strengths of your child in the mathematics, what are their weaknesses, what can we do to help them achieve in 2018 math exam itself. Okay, all right, so it's absolutely free, and we are going to actually give let your child sit for math diagnostic test to find out their math ability level. From there, we can actually find out which level and how to help him in math. Okay, so if you are keen on our math tuition class, our classes are already ongoing. I just finished one class, alright, in Punggol itself. Okay, so you click on that link, and for January, to celebrate the new year and the new academic year, we are giving away $85 off for all registration for our Gene Math tuition classes. Alright, click on that link. Just to highlight, most of my classes taught by myself are full, especially the ones in Punggol, totally full. Alright, Tampines classes, I have slots only on Tuesday and Thursday still available, but weekends, I only have one slot each for each of the classes I'm teaching. For my other gym teachers classes, they are still available. Why not? Click on them. Everyone is equally as good as me, or even better than me. Alright, okay? Alright, so if you have any other question, why not contact me at 91098564. Any math related question, anything regarding the gym trial lesson or our tuition classes, alright, click on the links, or you can SMS or WhatsApp me at this number. Okay, alright, so watch out for my next question tomorrow. Tomorrow I want to try out a question based on a model concept. Okay, so if you want to know more about this model concept, alright, why not tune in tomorrow? Join me for the next question. Alright, so this has been Hidayah from Genius Young Minds, where we help your child score in math within a very short period of time. Goodbye everyone, and good night.